message. What? I know, they're well shit, are they? Who's loving you? Right, Fiona, when you start your night, you're like, I want to get drunk, and now you're like, I want to sober up. So, what's that about? So, what did you have to drink? Lies, you drank at Megan's as well. You did? And how strong did you mix them? You were already in Grova, you won't get back in. Because the bouncers were already looking at you like they weren't letting you back in. And you got to the door and they wouldn't let you back in. And then you spewed all over your shoes and my shoes. I know, but Fiona, it's the best thing for you. You are? You were just yawning? Oh, come on, Midden, let's get you home. Well, you can even go sleep on my sofa for a bit if you really don't want to go home. We'll be gone in a minute. Smoke. Huh? Yeah. Cigarette. Gum. Can you stand up? Huh? Can you stand up? What are you staring at? I thought you were staring at me. Yeah, fuck off, I